Okay class, today we will start with MET 112 chapter 1 with the titles Fundamental Concepts of Mathematics. So for this, we will review on the algebra. So that includes of fraction, decimals, percentage, linear equations. Then the second part, we will go for sequence, that is your arithmetic and the geometric sequence. So for this part, I will share with you or introduce with you towards another video, but for this video we will only focus on review on the algebra. Okay, what is fraction? Okay, so in another words, fraction you will have into two parts. In another words, irrational. Okay, so irrational, so the first part or the upper part is called numerator, the below part is called denominator. And do remember, for a fraction or rational to apply, your denominator cannot be 0. Okay, do remember this. Okay, so how to have a proper fraction? So your value of your a, that is your numerator, must be less compared to your denominator, so that will be proper fraction. Okay, improper means that the numbers on or the powers of your numerator is bigger or equal to your b involved. Okay, so for example this one. So what is mixed number? Okay, mixed number will be you will have a whole number together with the fraction. Okay, this one should be okay with you, right? And just take out your calculator if you can't see. Okay, let me share with you. Let's say 7 divide with 5. Okay, so you can just press this to get your or shift. Okay, then you get your answer in fraction, or you want to get in decimal, so that's the answer. Is that okay? So mixed number, okay, is this. Okay, this one is straightforward, right? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, let's go for some of the examples. Okay, this is the page numbers in the textbook. So since that you don't have any textbook on hand now, so no worries. Okay, just share with you. Okay, so this example for here stated evaluate 1/2 add up with 3/4 minus with 3/8. So first of all, what you're supposed to do? Okay, you need to get your lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple of 2, 4, 8 is actually 8, right? So first of all, get your lowest common multiple first, that is 8. Okay, so this one, so means that this one you need to times with 4, times with 4, this times with 2, times with 2. Okay, so I have 1 times 4 add up with 3 times 2 minus with 3. Okay, so you have what? 1 times 4 you have 4, 3 times 2 you have 6 minus 3 divided by 8. Okay, so 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 3, 7/8. It's okay? So just simple calculation. So if you want to cross-check your answer in calculator, so I have just 1/2 add up with 3, 3/4 minus with 3/8. Okay, you have 7/8, so it means our answer is correct. Okay, just very straightforward. Okay, okay, so what's the product of 3/8 and 2/7? Okay, so you just multiply it. Okay, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, so you have your answer. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, so what does it mean? So when a fraction by another is divided by another fraction, we do change the division into multiplication by inverting the second fraction. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, I give you an example. Okay, let's say that you have 3 over 8. Okay, you've been divided by 1 over 4. Okay, so how do you solve it? Okay, so first of all, the division sign you will change to multiplication sign. Then the second fraction you will twist. Okay, in other words, inverting. Okay, then you proceed with your simplification. So in this case, your answer is 3 over 2. Okay, very straightforward. It's okay. Okay, let's solve this question. Okay, so you have what? You have 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 8. So you have 3 over 4 multiply with 8 over 1. Yes, okay, so simplify it. So you have 2. Okay, so you have the answer 6. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you want to check your answer by calculator, can you do it? Same thing also. You have 3 divide by 4, then divide again 1 over 8. Okay, so your answer 6. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, so same thing, just use your calculator and solve. Okay, you have 2 over 3 divide with 2 and 6 over 7. Okay, you have 7 over 30. So your answer is correct. Okay, this is just simple. Okay, this one, since that you don't have any workbook, so no need. Okay, no need first. Okay, so let's go for decimal. So what is decimal? Okay, so the symbol dot here so means the decimal point. Okay, the decimal fraction is a fraction with multiples of 10. Okay, this one should be okay, right? The numbers of digits after the decimal points will given the decimal places. Okay, like for example, this one 432.5709. So this one is actually how many decimal? 4, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 places after the decimal. And this one very logic, right? So this one, how about this one? Okay, so you just remember, when you're 5 or greater, you need to round out. If you have 4 or lesser, then you need to round down. Okay, like for example 0.6718. Okay, so nearest 10, so means 1 decimal, so it's 0.7. Okay, but if you're 100, so 2 decimal, so because this is 1, so it's still 67. How about this then? Okay, 3 decimal places, so your answer will be 0.672, because the 8 is more than 5, so you will add up 1. I think this one should be okay, right? For homework, you just refill it when the time you have your textbook. Okay, so let us do together. Okay, this one. Okay, converting fraction to decimal. This one should not be a problem, right? Okay, so again, just take out your calculator. Decimal to fraction, so 0.5. Obviously, you have your answer. Yes, 1 over 2. Okay, so 0.064, 0.064. Okay, you have 8 over 125. Okay, convert fraction to decimal. Okay, it's simple, just use your calculator. Okay, 15 over 8. Okay, so you have 1.875. Okay, so fraction to decimal, so 10 over 3. Okay, so you have 3.33333. Okay, so I have 3.3333. Just get 4 decimal places. If RM, Ringgit Malaysia, or any, because cents for sure is 2 decimal, right? Okay, so it's nothing much. Okay, symbol of percentage, okay, means 100. Okay, so 25%, how? So 25 multiply with 1/100, or in other words 25 divided by 100. So okay, if let's say I have 75%, okay, how? So very simple, 75 divided by 100. So you have your answer, 0.75. Okay, this one very logic, huh? Okay, convert fraction and decimal to percentage. Okay, this one should be okay, right? You just multiply with 100. You just remember one thing. Okay, just remember one thing. Percentage, okay, just remember one thing. If you have numbers, okay, numbers you change to percentage, you may need to multiply with 100%. If percentage change to numbers, you may need to divide with 100. Okay, just simple like that. Okay, so change to percentage, see that? Change to percentage, you multiply. Okay, change to percentage, you multiply. Okay. This one simple thing, so percent to numbers, you divide. Okay, so 35 divided by 100, you have this. Okay, so same thing. Just get your calculator done. 0.05 divide by 100. Okay, so you have 1/2000. Okay, simple. Okay. Okay, so for linear equation, this one, first of all, you need to have your balancing method. Okay. How? Okay, so this is x plus 1 equal to 5. Okay, so to get balancing method, you may need to minus 1. Okay, because your intention is to eliminate. So your answer, x equal to 4. Okay, how do you use calculator? Okay, again, just reset anything. Okay, just reset first. Okay, so again, you use alpha. Okay, x, add up with 1. Okay, then you shift solve. Reset everything first. Okay, your alpha x, just follow, add up with 1. Okay, then alpha equal. Okay, because you only have the equal sign. Okay, 5. So okay, you don't press enter, huh? You press shift solve for x. So your answer is 4. Is that okay? So this is how you calculate using your calculator. Straightforward. Okay, this is how you cross-check your answer as well. Okay, let's see the B. Okay, so you have 2y minus 10 equal 0. Okay, so how to have your balancing method? Because this is minus, so you have plus. Okay, you have 0. So here you have 2y equal to, you have plus 10 also here. Okay, you have 10. Okay, after that, simplify it. Okay, your y, you have 5. Okay, so use your calculator. How are you supposed to solve then? Okay, again, you shift 9 3 equal, reset everything, then you key in 2 just remain as x. Okay, key in the whole equation, then alpha equal to 0, then you shift solve. Okay, then enter. So see, your answer is 5. Okay, this is how you're supposed to check your answer through calculator. It's okay. So this is your homework, okay, that you may cross check with all the things and the calculation method. Okay, do remember one thing as I mentioned. Okay, so just to remark, okay, plus and minus are siblings, multiply and divide are siblings. Okay, you get the idea? Because you can see for this minus 10, see that? So the siblings will be plus 10, both sides. Okay, whatever you apply on the left, you must apply the same thing on the right. Okay, to be fair. Same goes with this one. You see 2y. How to read this? 2 times y, right? So if they can multiply, means that it can be divide as well. So the siblings will be divide. So this is divide by, because this is 2. To get your coefficient of 1 on your y, you will need to divide by 2, both sides. Okay, just simple like this. Okay, so that's overall pictures for decimals, fraction, linear equations, and also percentage. Thank you.